My name's Ken McNamara. I'm the site engineering manager and I work for Saputo. I was working down when I was a young bloke in Melbourne at RMIT University as a hardware technician and doing a computer science degree part-time. When I finished that, there was a role came up at Mars Petcare as an automation engineer, and that was my first introduction to the food industry. A lot of the changes, there's I suppose internal and external. There's a lot of pressure externally, both from the domestic market. You have Coles and Woolies, a lot of pressure on supply and costs and innovation and all that. A lot more automation, which is good because that's my forte, I suppose. A big push to really innovate, get costs out of the business, try and improve the execution of everything we do. Just having an appreciation of the broader business context you're in, and I think that only comes when people start talking to each other across divisions, up and down, between head offices and sites. And you know, the more you talk, the more open you are about it. You can say, well, I'm going to save $100,000 by doing this, and then someone says, well, yeah, but that's going to cost me $200,000 because of that, and you go, oh, well, that's not the right thing to do. I think that's always the challenge in any large organisation, is to get that communication going across all the divisions and all the competing interests that you have. So there's got to be a lot more push back into the education system, awareness of that. There's some great jobs in this game. You can do lots of different things. You get paid quite well. It's a career that you can get into, that you can go technically sideways into lots. You know, I've got a computer science degree and I'm an engineering manager, so that is not a traditional path, but shows you that if you can adapt to what's going on, you get the opportunities within different businesses to learn mechanical stuff and electrical stuff and automation, and those sorts of things. You can go sideways and learn lots of different things, and some people will naturally want to go up and be the big dog in the house. If you've got that in you, then that opportunity is there as well.
Engineering for the generations.